Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Meccha Chameleon on your PC or laptop. Just follow along with each step, and you'll have the game ready to play in no time. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Steam and press enter. From the search results, click on the official Steam website. It should say Welcome to Steam. Once you're on the home page, click the Install Steam button located in the top right corner. The Steam setup file will begin downloading automatically. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Steam on your computer. The installation process is simple, but if you run into any problems, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help. Once Steam is installed, launch the application. If you already have a Steam account, sign in. If you're new to Steam, create a free account and then log in. After logging in, click on the search bar in the top right corner of the Steam window. Type Meccha Chameleon and press enter. When the game appears in the search results, click on it to open its Steam page. On the games page, scroll down until you find the Add to Cart button. Click it, then select View My Cart. After that, click Continue to Payment. Choose your preferred payment method, complete the purchase, and confirm your order. Once the purchase is successful, go to your Steam library. You'll find Meccha Chameleon in your game list. Click Install or Download. Choose the installation location if needed, and Steam will automatically download and install the game on your PC. That's it. You successfully downloaded and installed Meccha Chameleon on your PC or laptop. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more easy-to-follow tutorials and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.